back to my channel. Since someone is literally trying to be in the camera right now, look, your 5 seconds of fame. Are we done? My name is Charlie Unique, for those who don't know. Thank you for clicking on my video. So today, by the title, I'm sure you guys know, I'll be doing a one brand tutorial or whatever. It'll be all NYX products. So first, I'll be priming my face. And this is the Total Control Drop Primer Base. It smells weird. Now we're gonna go in with the pore filler. Get all of my, try to close up as much pores as possible. Now I'm gonna go in with the Total Drops Control Foundation. Okay, I totally need more foundation, so it looks good on cam. I'm gonna go in with the Tame and Frame Tinted Brow. Okay, so for the sake of the fact that I think I could have went a little darker in the color, I don't have tells. So I'm gonna go on with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna cheat just real quick. I won't tell if you don't tell. Low-key mad because I usually I do this before my foundation. Everyone's different, but it just, for me, it makes more sense to do it before I do my foundations. And my dog barking. Kobe! I'm gonna go in with this full coverage concealer. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize how light this was. I'm gonna go back in with the concealer that I used to conceal my eyebrows, and I'm just going to put a couple drops just to darken that up just a little bit. Well, a lot of it. A lot of it's not a word. It's gonna blend, honey. Blend for your life. Most of these products for NYX I haven't used, so these are kind of like a first impression kind of thing too for me. Blend, 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 blend. I'm gonna now go in with this NYX Concealer Correct and Contour to have it looking snatched. I've been actually eating like a lot of salads, so I don't really need to snatch it as much as I would have about 2 months ago. I'm on a healthier diet. Let's contour this forehead just a little bit. I don't have a 5 head. I kind of wish I did have a 5 head because I feel like the prettiest girls have like the biggest freaking foreheads. I'm not saying I'm not pretty, but I don't have a 5 head. So we're gonna now go in with the Set It, Don't Fret It. Set it, don't fret it. Set it, don't fret it. To set my concealer. Concealer myself. Something's really wrong, man. I'm aware. Oh, I thought this was gonna be browner. Is browner a word? I don't know. But it's not the color I thought it was gonna be. Let's pray that this comes out right. Now we're gonna blend out that contour, honey. Contour, Charlie. Contour. Okay, I don't know why I'm so annoyed today. I'm like really in a good mood. Today's Thursday. Thursday is the day that I upload on my channel. If you guys don't know, I like completely wiped away me trying to look like a whole snack just now. Don't worry, we gonna reapply. Ain't nothing to reapply. You guys, let me know in the comment section if this is even coming out good, because I'm literally all over the place right now. I'm going to go back in to just, powder myself. So I'm going with this. I'm gonna go in with the NYX eyeshadow primer base, and I'm just going to put it on my eyelid. Okay, that wasn't really smart to put like sparkles in this thing. Like, that's so stupid to me. I don't like that at all. So we're gonna go on this cute little palette. I'm gonna use this color right here. My base on, even though this base looks freaking nutty. This color. Hopefully cover those ugly sparkles. Oh my god. It's like not being covered. Whose idea was this? This color right here. I'm gonna put that deep into my crease area. I'm gonna spray this because I want it to be a little wet. Pretty color. I'm gonna go back in to this color and just gonna put this right and flick it in. Look at the flick of the wrist. Ah, look at the flick of the wrist. Ah. We have a look. Guys, we have a freaking look. Babies, look at mama. Babies, look at mama. Do we have a look? I think we have a look. So now I'm gonna go in with this Stay Matte but not flat, honey. So I'm gonna just dust off all this extraness. Oh, it just blends. Oh my god. Okay. Y'all wasn't gonna tell me about my contour stuff at my nose? Oh, y'all not loyal. We're gonna now use this matte bronzer. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's children outside my door yelling. I'm gonna use this NYX Pin Up Tease mascara. So NYX didn't have any eyelashes that I actually liked that I thought was able to be put on my face. So we're gonna go on with these and I'm gonna go off cam, so I'll be back. I feel like Jackie Aina right now. My favorite YouTuber, just in case you don't know. I'm giving myself a Jackie Aina vibes right now. So we're gonna do some eyeliner. Also by NYX. It's called Two Timer because the other side is for wing line, the other side is for your waterline. I'm gonna now just spray my face with this matte finish spray. I'm gonna go into this Love You So Much, but I'm gonna mix these two. You know what I say, too much highlighter ain't enough highlighter. So now I just use the brown lip liner with this Pump It Up lip pumper in a color 01. I forgot my blush, so I'm gonna go in with this blush. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. This is the final look. I hope the highlighter is like booming at you. Do my eyes, and like these eyelashes like won't let me blink my eyes. Like if you're here right now with me and you're not subscribed, I'm looking at you like, why though? Like, part of the fam, you know, watch it, enjoy it, subscribe, you know, come back for more. There's hair all in my face. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram. I post a lot on there recently, so if you guys want to see more of me when I'm not on here, I'll definitely be there. Bye guys.